Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've already trimmed my nails. So the glue that I'm going to be using this type of glue, and I'm going to be using these two type of nail polish, the red one and the clear one, since I'm just going to be applying on my press on nails. And these are the type of press on nails I'm going to be using. So today I'm just going to show you the simplest way on how to apply your press on nails at home. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply glue on my nails. Like that. And I'm now going to be taking my press on nails and apply it like that. And I'm just going to press it hard for some few seconds. I'm now going to apply it to the rest of the nails the same way. So I'm now going to get my filer and I'm just going to file them. Just at the tip. I'm going to take my nail polish and be using this red shade. So I'm going to let it dry, then apply like the second coat. So the next part is I'm going to take my clear cutex and apply it like on top to make it like shine. So guys, this is how they came out. See, as simple as that. Yeah, so guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button, so just in case I get to upload a new video, you get updated. And if you haven't seen the previous video on how I did my pressed on nails on a different way, I'll link it on my description. So anyway guys, stay tuned and give it a thumbs up.